Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan. Hi everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Aulia Rahimah with student ID number 24109122200019, Group 1 Semeru. I'm from the Public Health Study Program Faculty of Medicine and Health Sciences, Lambung Mangkurat University. And in this video, I want to present my essay on the theme of ethic of respecting other with the title A Teenager's Ethic in Respecting Other. Ethic comes from the Greek word ethos, which means character, morality, or custom. In this context, ethic is concerned with ideas about individuals or group as a means of evaluating what is right or what they have done. Aristotle coined the term etika, which encompasses the concept ethic that includes availability and a collection of rules. In Latin, this term is known as mores, which means decency, the degree of one's actions such a birth of behavior. Later, from mores develop into morality, which means the soul's desire for decency. Ethic can be divided into three main definitions, namely the sciences of what is good and moral obligation, a collection of principles or values relating to moral and values regarding right and wrong adopted by a group or society. Ethics can help humans to take an attitude towards all norms from outside and from within, so that humans achieve moral awareness and autonomy. In communication, ethics also play an important role. Good communication ethics will create good and harmonious relationship between people. Conversely, without knowledge of communication ethics, there will be misunderstanding that cause disputes and quarrels that can divide human life. This is also in line with research conducted by which state that in interaction, norms or rules are always needed which function for social control or control. One example of respecting others on social media is by not insulting and criticizing others. There is a case of teenagers who meaninglessly mock and insult others on social media, even though social media is not the place to do something that is not commendable. Many of them are teenagers who do not understand how to use social media properly and without supervision from parents, or parents have limited the use of social media to their children, but their children are very smart and clever, so parents so often miss. One example of respecting others in the real world is by using polite and good language when inviting others to talk. And don't forget to always say the words "excuse me," "please," and "thank you" to others. Saying the word "excuse me" when we want to greet people we have dismissed or so as not to disturb other people's time. Saying the word "please" if we want to ask for help from others, and saying the word "thank you" as gratitude for receiving something from others is a form of respect for others. The cause that make a child or teenager less ethical can be due to unnatural parenting, such as strict parents. What is strict parents? Strict parents include strict rules applied to children, sanctioning violation, and also communication between parents and children. While the impact on the formation of ethics in the children become less polite and less able to respect others. Judging from the current situation of the social environment, the decline of ethics in adolescence continues. That is one concern us today. Many things have led to this ethical and moral crisis. Because of the decline in adolescent ethics in the phenomenon of globalization. Globalization is a process of change that occurs through the connectedness of the world. Globalization has various positive and negative impacts. The effect of globalization greatly affects the moral values of society. The result of this impact of globalization is the decline in the ethics of the nation's young generation. If the left unchecked, This ethical crisis phenomenon will lead to the destruction of the younger generation, and this will have a serious impact on the future of the nation. Therefore, efforts must be made to overcome and deal with the ethical and moral crisis. One of them is character education. Thank you for your time and attention in listening to this presentation. I hope the ideas shared here can serve as inspiration and reflection for all of us as we uphold the values of respecting others. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.